Hello, grade 6 students. This is day 19 of STP Mathematics 1A lesson series. So, last video, I asked you to do a few sums related to BODMAS. The first 10 questions are like this. And there were few comments that some of the students can't understand this BODMAS or the bracket thing, and that some of the students they said it is very difficult to do that. So everyone, I'm telling you, Bhute, when we are having the BODMAS or that there's so many math operations like this, so the way we want to think, first we want to look at the bracket. For an example, if you look at this sum you can see here, the first I want to solve the bracket, no. So this is very similar to the example I told you that you have the birthday party and you have invited so many people. And the first example I gave you, you have your birthday party or a dinner at home. So then you invited only your friend. So then if it is only your friend, you don't want to worry that much. You know how she behaves and that what kind of interest she is having. So you just behave in a relaxed way and you do accordingly. That example is similar to when you have 5 plus 2, or when you have 8 minus 4, or you have 2 times 3, or let's say you divide by 12 divided by 4, something like this. You have only one math operation. Like one of your friends has come to the birthday party, and then you don't want to worry anything about that because only one person, you know that he saw her choice and interest and that you can serve accordingly. But let's say that the second example, in your birthday party, that you have your principal, his driver, your class teacher, subject teachers, your classmates, and your relatives, cousins, everyone is there. When everyone is there in the birthday party, what we are supposed to do, children, we want to, let's say now we are going to serve the welcome drink. That normally there is a way to do that, right? That we can't, it's kind of that I'm talking about the tradition, right? That let's say that in the living room that you have so many visitors, from where that you are going to start, that normally we start from the oldest person, right? That maybe if there are grandparents or someone like that, so we start from them. So let's say no, that all of them are at the same age. Normally we start from uncles or kind of the gentleman who is kind of the leader of that particular forum. So that's our tradition. This can be changed that according to your tradition and culture, but I'm just telling that just think we are thinking about the priority order to serve the welcome drink. In that case, you think who is the VIP person, very important person, VIP, who is that? So that is our principle, right? Again, this depends, right? That whoever who has come, let's say then my grandma has come, so she is my VIP person. So then can't help that you go to the grandma. But I'm talking about that the invited guest, out of them, who will be the prioritized person? The principal. It's similar to the bracket, right? Anyhow, whatever the math operation you have, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, you here you see you have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, you have all four outside the bracket. We don't touch them. First, I'm going to touch the bracket. But when I reach the bracket, I'm having a confusion now. It's similar to that. You go and try to serve principal, sir. With him, that you can see his driver and his assistant. So can you serve the welcome drink only to principal, sir? No, right? You have to, even though your class teacher, subject teacher is there, that when you try to serve it to principal, sir, you have to ask that the driver and the assistant please take this, no? So that's something like that. Here, that example I will match with this bracket. When you try to solve the bracket, inside the bracket you can see the multiplication and the subtraction. Okay, multiplication and the subtraction. Give me a second, children. Right? So what I do the multiplication first. 24, and from 24, sorry, it's not 24, it's 18. 6 times 3, 18. So then from 18, I deduct 4. It gives me what? So 6 times 3, 18. It gives me 14, right? That is that. Now the bracket is solved. You don't have a bracket now. So then you can do that. You have the multiplication and division. Then I do the division. So then here it gives me 2. Then I look at the multiplication. So earlier I had to multiply the bracket by 2, but I don't have a bracket now. Instead of the bracket, now I have number 14. So then 2 multiplied by 14, it is 28. So that 28, I add 7 and I subtract 2. Earlier I had to subtract this whole thing, but I don't have this portion now. Instead of this, I have 2. Therefore, I subtract 2. 28 plus 7, 35. 35 minus 2, 33. Hope it is clear, right? Don't worry that I will explain all the homework sums. That what I feel that you have, whoever the students who have mentioned that it is difficult for you, so that means I feel that you have missed something. That please watch the videos, the BODMAS or the BIDMAS videos one more time and see whether still you have the doubts. Okay, so then I will move to the first question here. 12 divided by 5 plus 1. First I want to solve the bracket. It is 6. Then I rewrite the question. 12 divided by 6, the answer is 2. Then question number 2, 8 multiplied by 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, what is the answer, children? It is 7. So then I write this 8 times 7, it is 56. Right, so then the third one, 5 minus 2 multiplied by 3. 5 minus 2, it is 3. So then you have 3 times 3, answer is 9. So then the question number 4, 6 plus 1 times 2. So then the 6 plus 1, it is 7. So then this is 7 times 2. The answer is 40. Okay, I want to double check before moving the screen. 2, 4 plus 3, 7, 56. 5 minus 2, 3 times 3, 9. Yeah, correct. So then I will move to the fifth one. 3 plus 2. Children, if you have a background noise, extremely sorry about that. I tried my best to avoid the noise, but it was not possible. 3 plus 2, 5, and 4 minus 1. I'll do like this. I'll keep this mute. So then you can see what I'm doing here. Hope you saw the order I did them, right? So first I want to solve the bracket. So then I dealt with the other math operations, maybe sometimes multiplication, division, right? Right. Now we will move to the next part, so which is a little bit complicated, but don't worry, I will explain them one by one. Right? 6 times 8 minus 18 divided by inside the bracket 2 plus 4. Right? What is the first thing we should do here, children? I want to solve the bracket. So then 2 plus 4, 6. Right? Then I divide 18 by 6. What is the answer? The answer is 3. Right? So then here 6 times 8, what is the answer? 48. Now what do we have, children? Instead of 6 times 8, I can write 48. And then I write this subtraction. And instead of 18 divided by 2 plus 4, instead of 2 plus 4, I wrote 6. 18 divided by 6, I wrote 3. Therefore, so for this whole thing, if I show you that the whole thing represented, so this whole thing, instead of this whole thing, I can write 3, right? Because at the finally, when I simplify that portion, it gave me 3, no? So then here 3, the answer is 45. Okay, step by step you want to do. If I number what I did here, first I did this one, right? Then I did this one. Then I did this one. And this is the fourth one, right? So this is the order. You want to follow the order, right? Okay, so then we will move to the next one, question number 22, let's say. 10 divided by 5 plus 20 divided by 4 plus 1. 10 divided by 5 plus 20 divided by 4 plus 1. Right, question is correct. 4 plus 1, what is the answer? It is 5. And then now 20 is not divided by the bracket, 20 is divided by 5. So then what is the answer? It is 4. And here 10 divided by 5, what is the answer? It is 2. Now you just see, children, 10 divided by 5, 2, and then you have the positive sign. And for this whole thing, 20 divided by bracket. The bracket is 5, 20 divided by 5 is 4. So then you write it like this. This is the answer. You just see, this is very simple, children. But when you see so many math operations, that it gives an indicator that this is something which I can't do. No, that if you follow the steps, this is very easy. 4 plus 1, the answer is 5. That is done. Then I use that 5 to divide 20. So then 20 divided by 5, 4. So then I kept it aside. Then I move to the next division. 10 divided by 5, it is 2. Then 2 plus 4, because this 4 represents the whole thing, this part. This whole thing represented by 4, right? So then we'll move to the next one. 23. 23, 5 plus 2 times 10. 2 times 10, 20. 20 minus 5, 15. Okay. Then I rewrite this 5 plus 15 minus 6, right? So 5 plus 15, 20. 20 minus 6, 40. Right? 5 plus 15, 20. 20 minus 6, 14. I double check. 2 times 10, 20. 20 minus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 minus 6, 14. Then 20. Then 8. 15 divided by 3 plus 4 plus 1. 15 divided by 3. So then the 5 plus 4. Then we have 8 minus 9 plus 1. So can you remember what I have asked you to do? 8 plus 1 minus 9. So then I have 9 minus 9. The answer is 0. Right? 15 divided by 3. It is 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Then 8 minus 9, but I change the order. It's easier for me to do the positive numbers first. Therefore, that I added them, then subtract 9. Okay. So then the next one, 25th. Right? Yeah, 25th question. 25th question. 2 times 3 minus 4. Add 33 divided by 11 plus 5. Okay. 2 times 3, it is 6. 6 minus 4, the answer is 2. Okay. 33 divided by 11, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. Right? So then the final answer is, instead of this whole bracket, I can write 2 plus, instead of the second bracket, I can write 8. So then the answer is 10. Right? So then the 26, 18 divided by 3 plus 3 divided by 4 times 4 minus 7. Okay, here 18 divided by 3, what is the answer? 6. 6 plus 3, what is the answer? 9. Okay, first we go inside the bracket. First we want to take the division. 18 divided by 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Then 4 times 4, 16. 16 minus 7, what is the answer? So what is the mistake here we did? 4 times 4, 16. 16 minus 7. So yeah, that is, it is 9. Yeah. So then finally we have 9 divided by 9. The answer is 1. Right? Yeah, so then 4 times 4, 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 18 divided by 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Yeah, answer is correct. So then I will move to question number 27. Okay, question number 27. We do have 50 divided by 5 plus 6 subtract 8 times 2 minus 4. 50 divided by 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 8 times 2, 16. 16 minus 4, 12. Then I write the first bracket, it is 16, minus the second bracket is 12. 50 divided by 5, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 8 times 2, 16. 16 minus 4, 12. So then 16 minus 12, and here 16 minus 12, we will have the answer 4. So then we will move to question number 28. 10 multiplied by 3, subtract 20. Then we have plus 3 times 9 divided by 3 plus 2. 10 times 3, 30. 30 minus 20, 10. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So then 3 times 5, 15. Did you see what I did? 10 multiplied by 3, 30. 30 minus 20, 10. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 times 3, 15. So then I can write down 10 plus 15. Answer is 25. Right? So then we will move to question number 29. 7 minus 3 times 2 divided by 8 divided by 4 minus 1. So 3 times 2, it is 6. 7 minus 6, it is 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. 2 minus 1, it is 1. So then the answer is 1 divided by 1. The answer is 2. Right? Right. Correct. So then the 30th one, the 30th question I will write here. Right? So then we have 5 plus 3. So then 2 plus 2 plus 10 divided by 8 minus 3. 5 plus 3 times 2 plus 10. Yeah. 8 minus 3, it is 5. 10 divided by 5, it is 2. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Then that you have not done only this math operation, you are going to do that. How? 16 plus 2, 18. Right? I double check. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 minus 3, 5. 10 divided by 5, 2. 16 plus 2, 18. Okay, children. So that is all about the homework question. But still, if you feel that these are very difficult, especially you can see that these are double underlined questions, right? Don't worry, for your formative assessment, you don't get this kind of complicated ones. Instead, you will get this kind of simpler one, right? Don't worry about these kind of complicated one, that if you can do them. So most probably these kind of questions will be there for semester exams, but for the formative assessment that you will be getting these kind. But don't give up these, try these questions, because it helps you to enhance your analytical skills. Right? Therefore, don't give up this. Try your best, but still, if you feel that these are very difficult, keep it aside for the time being. So as we are getting ready for the formative assessment first, so then you can practice these 10 questions. Right, the next day, I will start the number pattern, right? So we have, after the number pattern, yes, we can go to the unit test for the unit 2 also, right? So then the next day, I will come up with the number pattern. Okay, children, we'll meet again next day. Till then, stay safe. Bye.